right, so let's go ahead, sketch on the top plane. So sketch, we're going to use the line tool today, which is next to the rectangle. And what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and draw the outline. Each sort of length of one square, because this is 5 by 5, mine's a little different. You'll be using a 4 by 4 one, is going to be 1. So go 1 over, 1 up, 1 over, and 1 down, and then 2 over, because it looks a little longer, it's worth 2 boxes, and then we just go ahead and building it. Again, we're just trying to get the outline. It's easy to do because this is really one level. It's not that big of a deal, but there we go. We have our object. Once we complete the final one, it sort of fills in gray. We're going to go to our isometric view because I always prefer that. As we are extruding, we're going to extrude 1. And there you go. Easy peasy, nice and easy. We're going to right click and we're going to edit the appearance. We're going to change it yellow or whatever other color that your puzzle piece is. Now we're going to create a multi-view drawing based off of this. So again, we're going to right click on our part 1 on the lower left. We're going to go ahead and select drawing. Now the template should automatically come up. We're going to go ahead and go with 4 parts and hit OK. And voila, it creates our drawing for us. We're going to double click in the bigger area down there. We might have to do a little deleting, but I'd like you to always put your name there. So let's go ahead and type in our name. Now we're going to right click on our object and we're going to go ahead and show. It's right at the top. We're going to show, and I think it'll say shading. So we're going to go ahead and click on show shading, and it should turn into the color. And down here on each of these, we're going to show, and we're going to show if it has a hidden line. So show hidden line. Ooh, look at that one had it. And that one shouldn't, but we'll run it through anyways. There we go. We can go ahead and color these two if we'd like. We can right click and again shade the color. We'll do it again to this one. And finally the last one. And to be honest, that's almost it. The last thing I want to do is add on dimensioning. So we're going to go to our dimensioning tool. The side view gives us the height. So we're just going to do overall height. The front view gives us the overall width. And then the top gives us the overall depth. And easy peasy, nice and easy, as you see. Because you might be working with more than one drawing, you can go ahead, right click on the tab at the bottom and rename. I'm going to rename this yellow piece, or just yellow part, or yellow drawing. While I'm here, I know that part 1 is that yellow, so I'm going to hit rename. I'm just going to call this again either yellow part, yellow puzzle, something like that. Easy peasy, nice and easy, like I said. So if you have another piece, we'll hit the plus. And we can go ahead to create part studio. It'll give us a new area to work in. Now I'm going to redo this piece, but I'm going to do this piece more of the subtractive method. I'm going to go speed up the video 10 times, but you'll see me as I build it first. I have all my material, and then I begin to methodically, either from the top, or here I start working on the side view to go ahead and begin to cut out different pieces. These were all pretty easy, but then with this last one that I'm doing right there and the ones I'm setting here, I had to put like a dot or point on the line, measure it out so I knew where to start drawing my square. And we're just going through everything the same way we did the other way. A lot of right clicking. I just did the dimensions backwards, but that's it. Just a different way of doing it.